In the late 1980s and 90s, a cultural tidal wave from the East hit North America's shores, the Japanese domestic market revolution. This wasn't just about cars, but a lifestyle, a subculture that celebrated precision engineering and innovative design from Japanese automakers. The JDM wave wasn't purely about speed, but represented an intricate blend of performance and aesthetic appeal. With sleek aerodynamic designs and compact yet powerful engines, these Japanese machines offered something fresh and exhilarating. North American streets, traditionally dominated by muscle cars and European sports cars, began to witness the rise of iconic JDM legends like the Nissan Skyline, Toyota Supra, and Mazda RX-7. Pop culture played an instrumental role in this shift. The 90s saw an explosion of video games like Gran Turismo, putting players behind the wheel of these Japanese marvels. Later, films like the Fast and the Furious franchise would immortalize the JDM scene, bringing the high-octane world of underground street racing and car modding to the mainstream. The foundation was set, and amidst this, a legend was about to make its mark: Nissan's SR20 DT. The birth of a legend, SR20's origins. The 1980s marked a transformative period in automotive engineering, as Japan grappled with the pressures of a rapidly urbanizing environment and rising fuel costs. There was a nationwide call for compact, efficient, yet high-performance engines. Nissan, a juggernaut in the Japanese automotive industry, accepted this challenge with gusto. Their answer was the SR20, a symbol of their dedication to pushing engineering boundaries. Introduced in 1989, the SR20 was a masterclass in design and capability. This engine was no ordinary machine. It was a testament to Nissan's ethos of delivering unparalleled performance within a compact form factor. Instantly, the SR20 garnered respect, not just as an engine, but as an embodiment of Japanese ingenuity. Fitted into a diverse range of Nissan models, from the SILVIA to the 180SX, it rapidly became a beacon of reliability, power, and potential. Its introduction set the stage for a legacy in the realms of both street and professional racing, solidifying its place in automotive history. Under the hood, anatomy of the SR20. To understand the SR20's iconic status, one must delve deep into its very anatomy. At its core was the 2-liter inline-4 design, characterized by an aluminum block and head. This not only ensured lightweight properties, but also boasted efficient heat dissipation, making it a favorite for high-rev scenarios. The dual overhead camshaft system provided a direct valve control mechanism that was crucial for high RPM operations, allowing the engine to breathe effortlessly and rev cleanly. The turbocharger, particularly the Garrett T25G in some versions, bestowed the SR20 with that extra kick, pushing its performance to exhilarating levels. This turbo, working in conjunction with the engine's electronic fuel injection system, ensured optimal air-fuel mixture for a dynamic power delivery. But beyond its technical marvels, what truly set the SR20 apart was its robustness and adaptability. Its design exhibited a remarkable potential for tuning and modifications. Enthusiasts found that with the right tweaks, the engine could easily surpass its stock performance numbers, making it a canvas for tuners worldwide. This mod-friendly nature, combined with its innate reliability, was the crux of its widespread acclaim, elevating the SR20 to legendary status. The cars that roared, vehicles powered by the SR20. At the forefront was the Nissan SILVIA, particularly its S13, S14, and S15 variants. Known for their balanced chassis and rear-wheel drive layout, these models became synonymous with drifting and motorsport prowess, with the SR20 providing the necessary power and agility. The 180SX, a sister to the SILVIA, flaunted a sportier hatchback design. Its popularity in both Japanese and global markets made it a poster child for the SR20's versatility and power. Not to be overlooked, the PULSAR GTIR took the SR20 and transformed it into a rally monster. With its all-wheel drive system and compact design, it demonstrated how the engine could handle varied terrains, from tarmac to dirt. Each of these vehicles, in their unique ways, showcased the SR20's diverse capabilities. Tuning and the aftermarket scene. In the pulsating world of automotive tuning, an engine's worth is measured not just by its stock performance, but by its adaptability and potential for enhancement. The SR20, with its inherent strengths, quickly became the darling of the aftermarket scene. Its straightforward design made it a dream for tuners. Its robust block and head could handle increased boost pressures with minimal modifications. Furthermore, its internal components, while reliable in their stock form, could be swapped for high-performance aftermarket parts, unlocking horsepower numbers that were unthinkable for a 2-liter engine. Renowned tuning houses across Japan and globally started offering specialized kits for the SR20. From high-flow turbochargers to reinforced internals and advanced fuel management systems, the market was flooded with options to extract every ounce of power from this engine. Car meets and drag races became proving grounds where modified SR20-powered vehicles showcased breathtaking performances, often outclassing more powerful and expensive rivals. Stories of these beasts, pushing well beyond 300 or even 400 horsepower, became legendary. The SR20 versus the world. In the grand amphitheater of automotive engineering, where legends clash, the SR20 found itself pitted against contemporaries that were no less iconic. Each engine bore the aspirations and engineering prowess of its creators, making for thrilling rivalries. Toyota's 4AGE was one such contender. Known for its high-revving nature and reliability, it powered the beloved AE86, a drift icon. But while the 4AGE excelled in natural aspiration, the turbocharged SR20 had the upper hand in raw power and tuning potential. Mitsubishi's 4G63, housed in the legendary Lancer Evolution, was another rival. With its robust design and rally pedigree, the 4G63 was a formidable adversary, boasting turbocharged power and all-wheel drive performance. Honda's B-Series engines, particularly the B16 and B18 with V-Tech wizardry, brought a different flavor to the mix. Renowned for their high RPM screams and lightweight designs, they presented a naturally aspirated challenge. In these battles, the SR20 showcased its versatility. Its robustness, combined with its tuning adaptability, meant it could stand toe-to-toe with these giants. Beyond power, the SR20's cultural impact. While raw performance and engineering brilliance shaped the SR20's reputation, its true legacy extends far beyond the realm of horsepower and torque. The engine became a cultural emblem, echoing the sentiments of a generation enamored by the beauty of machinery and speed. In the bustling car scenes of Tokyo to the underground races of Los Angeles, the SR20 became synonymous with a certain swagger. It represented the spirit of youth, rebellion, and the pursuit of freedom. Stickers, apparel, and even music often featured the engine, emphasizing its emblematic status. Movies and television weren't far behind. The SR20 powered drifts and races illuminated many a silver screen, propelling its stature in popular culture. Its distinct roar, the whistle of its turbo, became auditory signatures recognized even by non-enthusiasts. Car meets, once local events, evolved into grand festivals celebrating this engineering marvel. The brotherhood among SR20 aficionados was palpable, with many sharing stories, tips, and dreams, all revolving around this iconic engine. The future of GDM and lessons from the SR20. The horizon of the automotive world is ever evolving. As the industry leans towards electrification, autonomous driving, and sustainability, one might wonder, what place does the GDM legacy, epitomized by engines like the SR20, hold in this new dawn? The rise of electric vehicles in the JDM scene offers a parallel. Just as the SR20 showcased power within a compact design, electric powertrains are delivering astonishing performance figures within eco-friendly packages. The spirit of tuning, too, finds its way into this realm, with enthusiasts now exploring EV modifications. The SR20 also underscored the importance of community and passion. As we steer into the future, fostering a similar passion around new technologies will be crucial. In essence, while the rumble of engines might transform into the hum of electric motors, the lessons from the SR20 era ensure that the heart and soul of GDM remains undiminished.